Alright, location natin ngayon is Padada, Davao del Sur. Galing tayo sa sentro ng Padada at itong direksyon na to papunta ito sa Digos City. So paglampas sa tulay guys ay may palikong daan dito. Ito po yung papasadahan natin ngayong araw. Ito yung daan na nagkukonekta mula dito sa Padada and Matanaw, Davao del Sur. Madadaanan dito ang bayan ng Hagunoy, Davao del Sur. So magandang alternative road to guys kung ang biyahe nyo mula dito sa General Santos City papunta doon sa Bansalan and Kidapawan City. Dahil hindi nyo na kailangang umikot pa doon sa matraffic na Digos City proper. So sa video na to ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang status ng daan, kung safe ba itong gamitin sa lahat ng uri ng sasakyan, at ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang mga magagandang tanawin na ating madadaanan.
One way to see, one way to know, is never look back and just letting it go. Your heart is a drum, you're biting your tongue.
Dito sa junction na to guys ay mag right turn lang po tayo. Pag magdiretso ka, papunta yan sa Lapu-Labaw. Right turn lang po tayo dito at ito yung daan papunta sa Hagunoy Municipality.
Hoping to reach out and touch the soul who is lost in winter and frost. Enthusiastic summer's gone, it's moved on, in rolls the dawn, hoping to lift you off the ground, but you won't let go, not this time around. Hopelessly there when you're not here, it doesn't matter as long as you're true, true to your heart, true to the art of holding the hands of a lonely soul who is lost in winter and frost. Enthusiastic summer's gone, it's moved on, in rolls the dawn, hoping to lift you off the ground.
Alright, dito na tayo. Ito po yung Municipal Hall of Hagunoy. Pamahalaang bayan, Hagunoy.
I feel so ashamed what I did to you, but here's my confession, it's the least I can do. You know I was trying, it was never enough. I needed somebody, but it got too much. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you, but hear me out and give me a chance to say it out loud. Pray for me while I pick up the pieces, turning things around, and maybe things will get better. So wait for me on the other side. A broken soul, but I'm healing with time, and I can't lose, 'cause I got you by my side.
Matapos tong road widening na to ay maganda itong diversion road sa mga babiyahe mula Kidapawan papuntang Padada, Sulup, Malungon, and General Santos City. Dahil di na kailangang dumaan pa sa matraffic na Digos City proper.
The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in so fast ahead, it's hope, it's getting clearer. The more I think of all the tough times we survived, the more it makes me smile. If nothing's broken us, yeah, nothing ever will. 'Cause dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight. Be alright. Show me the way. Show me a way to somewhere. To somewhere. Nothing from the past can hurt us anymore. We're free of what we lost. Not anything or anyone will hold us back, no matter what the cost. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our...
Grabe yung saging guys, oh. Ang daming bunga. Pira yan. Mahal ng saging ngayon. Alright, approachin tayo dito sa junction na to guys, na kung saan kung mag left turn ka dyan, yan po yung daan papunta doon sa sentro ng Matanaw, Davao del Sur. So right turn lang tayo dito guys, at ito yung daan papunta doon sa Davao Cotabato Road, National Highway. Dito yan sa junction ng New Visayas, Matanaw, Davao del Sur.
I am strong 'cause I know I've got you on my side, and my faith is a burning flame. And as long as I know I have you on my side, all my enemies will fail. In your name I shall prevail.
Alright, approaching tayo dito sa Davao Cotabato Road, na kung saan kung mag right turn ka dyan, yan po yung daan papunta doon sa Digos City. Left turn lang po tayo dito guys, at ito yung daan papunta doon sa bayan ng Bansalan, papunta doon sa Kidapawan City. Dito yan sa junction ng Sinawilan, Matanaw, Davao del Sur. Alright, nakita nyo na po ang status ng daan mula doon sa Padada, Davao del Sur hanggang dito sa junction ng Sinawilan, Matanaw, Davao del Sur. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, ay huwag kalimutang mag-like, comment, and share para mas marami pang makapanood sa video na ito. At huwag din kalimutang mag-follow and subscribe sa ating Facebook page at YouTube channel para updated ka sa lahat ng videos uploads ko. Hanggang sa muli, daghang salamat po!